Hi, my name is Russ, and I'm going to show you a couple new features of TRIGGErcmd. The first is a new version of the, what's it called, the Go client. It's version 1.02, and the new feature is that these parameters, these values, can be quoted and have spaces in them now, which is particularly useful for the params parameter, because now you can send basically multiple parameters to your command remotely. So let's see here, tcmd trigger. I'll show you. I can do send results, and then computer is Russ HP. Oops, I need to get the actual command trigger name. Send result, not plural. So the other thing I wanted to show you is that, a while ago I added the ability to get results back from your command, and Google or Alexa would speak it back to you. But I recently had a use case for being able to get the result back from the remote command from just a command line or the API. And this command line tool, this Go, this tool written in Go, all it really does is return the results of the API, like this. So you can see this is all JSON, and by the way, it's parsable as JSON, which I'll show you in a second. If I run bash, if you're familiar with the JQ tool, it's pretty awesome. I recommend it. You can do, let's see here. So there's my output, and now I can parse it with JQ. And if I wanted a particular value out of here, like the voiceReply value, voiceReply. I did. Sorry about that. JQ-r dot voiceReply. I can just pick out the specific bit of text that I want out of that result, and if all I wanted was the result and not the script result is, then I could just go in here and just put in the result only. There it is. And you can put it in a variable. I'm just kind of going over some useful Linux stuff in case you're interested. I can do echo $var there. Anyway, back to this ability to send results. You can see how voiceReply is cool stuff. That came from my command, cool stuff. Now, I could even send in my own parameter too now. True. So now I can actually add params. Cool. I don't know if it'll let me do cool stuff. Probably just, yeah, it's just cool because the quotes are passed in to the command. Here, this didn't end up being cool stuff. It was, without the quotes. So I don't know if I can escape those. Sorry, I'm kind of going into some implementation details that you're probably not interested, but I will try. Wow, that worked. Okay, that was useful. If you want to send your quotes, you have to escape your quotes inside your quotes with backslashes right there, like so. That way, it actually ends up being cool stuff, with quotes as a parameter to your command. And by the way, you wouldn't normally just run SendResult as your command. You'd run a script and put this SendResult at the end of it. So hopefully you followed all that. I know it's kind of, it might be a lot to digest if you're not familiar with this, but yeah, ask questions if you've got any. Thanks.